I'm not going to show your face because you're in your house coat, but you live here next door to the fire apartment.
Yeah.
Do you have a smoke? You have a smoke alarm?
Nope. Ain't had now since I moved here. Been here going 3 years.
You've been here 3 years without a smoke alarm.
Going on three without one.
Let me ask you, who do you pay the rent to?
Dade County HUD.
Have you asked Dade County HUD if they ought to give you one?
They've been here several times. They haven't put it in yet.
Do you have a fire extinguisher?
Yes.
But no smoke alarm.
No.
Wait, don't tell me. What's your name, young man?
Larry.
Larry? Larry what?
William.
How do you spell your last name?
B-O-H-L-E-R.
What happened, Larry?
First this girl started fighting. She told me to look over there and see the smoke coming out of the window. And then I ran over here and I saw my sister coming downstairs. And then I ran upstairs to wake everybody up. And my sister, she had ran and opened the door. And then she started breathing fast. And then she went to go get her baby and everybody came outside.
Was the fire going pretty good?
Yeah.
Did you see flames?
Yeah, when I went inside my room. That's the only place I saw it.
Was there lots of smoke?
Yeah,
Did you hear the smoke detector go off?
yeah. It just, as soon as the smoke started coming over the smoke detector, it just went off. It was loud.
So it definitely went off and you heard it and it was pretty loud?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Did you have a fire extinguisher?
No? Yeah, but it was up in the closet too. And we didn't know how to use it.
Well, that's good. How about that little dog? Whose little dog is that?
That's the other people that go there. They moving. They told us to keep them until they come back to get them.
Do you know how the fire started?
The air conditioner got on fire. It caught on fire. It just kept on popping and then it started cut and then it caught on fire. And my sister was in the room too.
Did somebody see the air conditioner catch on fire?
Yeah, the girl over there. She live over there.
Tasha? How do you spell your name, please?
Latasha.
Latasha. What's your last name, Latasha?
McLeod, McLeod.
What the heck happened this morning, Latasha?
When I was outside playing, I saw me and my friend he was outside. And I looked up at the window where the air conditioner was, and I say, Larry, your air conditioner on fire, and all the smoke was coming up.
So you think the fire started in the air conditioner?
I guess.
Has that air conditioner given you all any trouble in the past?
I don't know, that's their air conditioner.
Ah.